Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a demo. I decided to make a track, something like a deep dubstep or grime. Honestly, I don't know how to call this genre because I just used Beatport top 100 in a genre deep dubstep and grime, and I figure out that this track is on the first place in the top 100. It's called Sully Peekaboo, called Ear Candy. Track sounds like that. Of course, you can check it in the description. I leave the link. You can easily listen to it. Sounds like that, and I decided to make a track, a demo in that genre, something closer to this style. Let me show you the track and I'll explain what I used in it. Okay, demo sounds like that, and let me show you what I use in this track. I use this kick, something like from trap or other genres like that. If we listen to this track, we can figure out that the kick sounds on these places. It's not so many kicks in this track. It sounds more calm, maybe. Yeah, we have clap. Sounds like from deep house, but if you listen to original, it sounds more shorter than mine. Yeah, and I guess it's depends on idea, how you what samples do you use. We have this head loop. It's something like from a trap or something. We have this loop. I really like it. Yeah, something like with a lot of percussions. We have right. And we have something like that. I think the difference between usual dubstep and grime, it's something like grime sounds more deeper, and in the rhythm section and in the bass section, something like that. So let's see what we have in the bass section. This is sub bass. Sounds like that, and you know I'm using some Deezer, EQ equalizer, and I'm using fruity limiter instead of kickstart, because it's not house, not a straight rhythm. We have something like a break rhythm because we have this kick. Sounds like that. We don't need a sidechain on every something like a kick drum. We don't have the rhythm like that. Yeah, we have not so many bass drums here, and that's why I'm using limiter We have the kick bass drum on the 10th channel, and I'm making something like links sense to these channels when we need sidechain, something like that. If we need sidechain on the 15th channel, for example, we go here and push the right mouse click. Here we see sidechain to this track. We can use like that, and we need to use here on this channel this limiter in the compressor mode, and we need to make sidechain this one threshold, and we use these parameters to make sidechain. Let me show you here something like we have I don't know, something like a Reese bass on 11th channel, and let me show you. We have these parameters. If we use not so deep parameters, we have not so deep sidechain. Yeah, if we use something like that, we have more deeper sidechain and a more long release of this sidechain. If you see something like the kick ends playing, but sidechain is not using. That's why I decided to make something like that. Yeah, I think it's better to use sidechain like that. It's something like, for example, yeah. Also, we have this on the sub bass, something like that, and we have mid bass section. I decided to use second channel. We have this. This procession for the mid bass. We don't have low frequencies here. I decided to use OTT and this plugin called Crush. Also, we have a limiter. I explained how it works, and we have something like distortions in your harmonics for the mid bass. So this plugin, by the way, it's free. It's totally free. You can download it. A really cool plugin to make something like that. I just used a bit more drive, crush, and this distortion to make it more white, more deeper, more cool, some more fat, I mean. Yeah, and we have more cool bass, more fat to this genre. So I'm using different basses for every 4 bars. Yeah, something like that. Also, if you listen to this track, you can hear the same bass melody, something like that. Also, we have here something like a string. I decided to use this one. By the way, I made it for 5 seconds, literally, because we just need a saw, a filter, and more detune. And it sounds more insane, more crazy with this parameter. So we have something like a square. It's something like a square plug. And we have a FX section. I decided to use some FXs to make this track more rich. It's something like combination of voices, glitches and effects to make the track more cool, something like using more features there. Let's see what we have in breakdown. We have a raise bass, something like that. We have automation of the volume, because we have something like automation of the volume till the end of the breakdown. By the way, you can hear the same in this track in the build-up section. Yeah, I decided to use vocals. Sounds like that. By the way, if you listen to this track, you can hear almost the same vocal. The difference, she just sing la la la. Yeah, but the mood is the same. So we have something like a string. I decided to use something similar to this track. We have arpeggio. If we use something like not 140 BPM but 100, we can make something like a breakdown for G house. Yeah, we have here snare roll. Also we have riser. And we have these fills. Yeah, it's something like a string sounds here, like in the end of this fill. But it sounds, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of this these strings here, but I think it sounds, I don't know. I would delete it from this break effect, but I don't know. I just download it and that's it. And we have this impact. So the track sounds not so complicated. The main thing you should find the right presets, samples for this genre. I decided to use a grime section on Splice and tear out Dubstep to find some presets, some instruments there, and I think it's really important to use a reference and use the right samples from the right packs from Splice, Loop Cloud. I don't know what you prefer to use. Of course, it's up to you. Maybe you have a library with a lot of sounds. I'm producing more house tracks, like a progressive, tech house, deep house, future house, etc. Dubstep, it's something new for me. I made it once on my channel, and it was something closer to this track. Yeah, I decided to use Beatport Top 100 in this genre to figure out what we have on top. It's middle of November 2024, and I checked this track and decided to make it. I don't know, maybe you're producing grime, I don't know, maybe deep dubstep. Feel free to comment. Maybe I missed something. I know I'm not a dubstep producer, but I tried. Yeah, I tried to make it. Anyway, what do you think about this demo? Please write in the comments. So Mencho was here. Bye bye, guys.